Hi, my name is Denise Velez. My banner ID is 01290664. I have not collaborated with any other live person in this video. Okay, so this is our spreadsheet, and today we will be making a scatter plot, and we will be trying to see if there's an association between age and GPA, and we will also see what the average GPA of a 39-year-old would be. Okay, so right now let's graph the scatter plot. We're to graph scatter plot. Okay, so for the X variable, it doesn't really matter where you put the X or the Y variable in this scatter plot because they're both quantitative. But right now I want to put the age in the X variable, which is the variable of interest. We're gonna put GPA because the G is the variable of interest. What would be the GPA of a 39-year-old if there is a association between age and GPA? So we're gonna hit compute. Okay, so you look at this graph. There's really no form. There's no direction. There's really no linear relationship. Everything's all over. So from looking at this scatter plot, there is no association between age and GPA. But let's show this by running the coefficient, the correlation coefficient test. So let's go to stat. We're gonna go to regression, then simple, and we're gonna put here. Okay. So remember, this is our x-axis, which is age. So we're going to put the age in, and for the GPA, so we're going to go down. Want us to predict what the GPA of a 39-year-old would be. So let's write 39, and let's run this compute. Okay, so I'm going to move this one so everybody can see. Okay, so let's look at the correlation coefficient. This number is not 99%. It's very low, which means that there's a really weak association between P. And if you down here, the predicted values would be the 39-year-olds would have a GPA of around these 2 points. 2.94 and 3.02. That's 95% chance. So these this scatter is a good example of a regression model because there's no direction, there's no shape, no bends, no outliers, no identifiable pattern. So this scatter plot would be a great example of a regression model. Remember, when you run the correlation coefficient test, that number is to measure how well a linear model can describe the relationship between a variable. So I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope I was able to explain everything correctly. Thank you, everybody. I have a great day.